Hi there, advanced users. I am about to show you how to create a screencast using Screencast-o-matic.com. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Screencast-o-matic.com, and when you get here, it's going to ask you if you have an account, if you want to log in. If you do not have an account, the first thing that you're going to want to do is create it. I already have an account. I'm going to click login. You can click login. What you will do is register, but I'm going to log in here. And log in. Okay, now that I'm logged in, what this is going to do for me is save all of the files that I record and store them on Screencast-o-matic's server. That way I don't have to worry about having them on my computer or publishing to YouTube or anything like that. Since the students can't access YouTube either on the student guest network over the Wi-Fi, or they're logged on to a standing computer, saving to Screencast-o-matic is probably going to be your best bet. So in order to start my screencast, I would pull up whatever it is in the background that I want to have. So for example, if you are trying to work some problems, you might want to open just a blank piece of paper in Workspace, or open up a presentation that you're going to flip through. So that's a really nice background to have to start your screencast, so opening any of those. Then you just have to click Start Recording. It's going to load the screen recorder. This one happened to find an existing recorder that I already had, and I was going to just delete that. Now you're going to notice that when that pops up, all around the perimeter you're going to have dotted lines. Basically what that is your screen recording area, and you can drag that to make it smaller and make it bigger depending on the size that you want to have recording. Up here in the top you have your toolbar where you can cancel the recording, you can adjust the size, you see if your microphone's working because this is blipping in green, and then this is going to be your start recording. I'm going to click Start Recording and it's going to count down. Now I'm recording my screen. Everything I say and however I move my mouse is going to be recorded right there. If I wanted to pause, I could click pause, or I can select done. I'm going to select done, and then I have to decide what it is I want to do with my video file. I can play it and see what it looks like. Now I'm recording my screen. Everything I say and however I move my mouse is going to be recorded right there. It's not very exciting, but it suits our purposes. I'm going to publish to Screencast-o-matic, and I'm going to give it a title. I'm going to call it Test Screencast. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to hit Upload to SOM, Upload to Screencast-o-matic. And then it's going to take just a few seconds and upload. And then it's given me a URL. So here's the URL. I'm going to click on this. And there's my screencast. Now I'm recording my screen. Alright, so I have my screencast. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to grab this URL. I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to jump over here to Edmodo. And I'm going to post this . I'm going to send it to, I'm going to send it right now to a class that I'm not really using. For this exercise, you can post it to whichever class you want, or you can make a test class and post it there. I'm going to insert the link. It'll retrieve it, click Attach, Send. And then you have your screencast that you've created for your students, and they can go in and watch what it is that you have done. And that is how you create a screencast on Screencast-o-matic. So go ahead and start making your screencasts now.